Hello guys, welcome to Silent Trader. Hope you all doing well. Hope you all have a good day as well. I'm trading and today I have a pretty decent day. I can complain. Today everything is very bullish. Nasdaq is near all-time high. SPY is actually break the all-time high as you see. As I mentioned yesterday. Two, the SPY maybe break and it already break the all-time high. So everything is very bullish. So today I trade five different stocks. So I will show you how I trade today and let's break down my thought process on what I trade. So the first stock I trade is AAL, is American Airlines. So as you see here, here this side I have a 1 minute chart and this side is 1 day and 5 minute and 1 hour chart to break down what my thought process is. So today the AL has a earning and when it gap to the downside due to some bad numbers, I see the $18 is a key level and I see it not break the 18 and it just kept holding 18. So I take a small short before the open like $200 at 17.85 right here. I was uh, thinking to short around 18 but I missed the move right here this 18 level, so I take a short at 17.85 and my out is around 18 or 18.10. So when it break 18 I see there is some sellers, so I haven't take a stop out and I just hold my position. So I take a small profit at 1782 and I the time it's a open time, so I don't want to hold this till open because I want to look some other stock. So I just take a profit at 1768 or else my profit target is VWAP or 1750, but I just take a profit and just walk away. The second trade I took is on Tesla. So as you see in last 3 days, I kept watching Tesla very closely, and I just kept trading Tesla as I have a good understanding of how this price actions and the chart as well. So the same way yesterday, yesterday Tesla gap at the open, the 5 minute is very bullish and it just sold off as I mentioned in my yesterday video. So today, before the market opened, Tesla went to the downside. It touched the 410 level and just ripped to the high side around 416 to 420. So before the market opened, what I noticed is Tesla above the VWAP, it just holding the VWAP. So I thought maybe I'm thinking like in history of the market, the pattern is always the repeat. So I thought like when Tesla opened, maybe the break to the high side same as yesterday and then it's going to sell off. The same thing has happened. When the market opened, Tesla gap to the high side as you see on 1 minute chart is gap to the high side and then after it slowly sell off. I see a seller on level 2, so I just start shorting Tesla. As I will show you on 5 minute as well. You see the top week, it means sellers are stepped in and just control the price action. So as you see, I just start shorting Tesla. Today I start with very small positions. I don't want to try with the big positions for some reason. So I just short with the 100 share. I take first short here. I take a profit at VWAP. Then after I take another. No, what I did here, I actually add because I see a lot of seller on level 2. So I add around 1784. So maybe 1784. So right here I add more. So my average is around 118 I guess. And I take another profit. I take more profit below the VWAP and just take the profit toward the downside. And the last position, I think I get stopped out. I take a short, my final profit right here. I see it not break this level. And then after I see it not break above the VWAP, so I take another short and I just take the profit to the downside. And my stop loss is around 118 around it. And I take a profit at 415, and my entry is 416. My take a profit is 415. So this is 1 to 1 risk to reward, but I take small profit and I take another profit at 1 414. So this 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. And then I stop trading. I see it moving to the high side. It break above the VWAP, and what I notice is this is the descending pattern. Let me draw down to you. This is the descending chart of the Tesla. So when I notice this is the bearish candlestick, I see sellers are step back in again. I see the 5 minute is to the upside, but if you see this 5 minute, this is very bearish pattern. So bearish chart. So I take a short right here, but then after I get stopped out. When I enter at 418, my stop is around 419. So when it breaks the 419 or around the 419, I see this is the strong volume candle. I just stopped out at right here, this candle. I make an arrow, but what I notice is break the 419 and immediately sell off. So I take another shot at 418.50 right here. 418 correct, I take a 418.50, so maybe around here 418.50, and I take profit toward the downside. I take small profit at VWAP and below the VWAP, and I get stopped out. This is really nice profit on Tesla. Another trade I took on NVDA. So NVDA, I kept watching this on my another monitor. So once I take a profit on Tesla, and I haven't seen any good chance to trade took another trade on Tesla. So I see a good opportunity on Nvidia. I see Nvidia is kept breaking. You see the ABCD pattern. Um, this is bottom, top, bottom, top. If you can buy, sell here. So what I see the ABCD pattern, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, that like that. So I thought this is the top. This is the resistance. So I thought I maybe the sellers are stable in. So I take a short at 145.83, and my stop loss is above the 146, and my profit target around the VWAP. But before it just break to the high side, so I just stopped out. I take another short, and I get stopped out right here. Let me zoom in. So I take short here, I get stopped out. I take another shot at 200 share, I get stopped out again. I take another shot, and I stopped out. This is 3 losing trade for me. But then after I just kept waiting. I see the good opportunity right here. So it not break above the 146.30. I missed this entry. Second time when it hit, I take a short at 146, my stop above 146.30, and I take a profit, and I get stopped out as it breaks 146. So I have 4 trade on NVDA, and 3 losing and 1 is a winner trade. The 4th trade I took on Coinbase. So today crypto market is very bullish. So I haven't take any trade at the open and till the 11 or 12. I just kept watching. I'm thinking like what kind of pattern it show on chart. So what I notice is not this is 300 is the key level. So I take a short at the 300 and my stop above the 301, and when it break around 299.74, I take small profit, and I'm thinking it maybe touch the VWAP. But before it touched the VWAP, I see the buyers are stayed in right here, and it break above 300 level. So why I stopped out, because I take small profit. Once I take a small profit, I don't want this stock to go above my entry price. So that is why I stopped out at 320 cent. So this is small trade for on Coinbase. The last trade I took on at the end of the market, like during the. So here, this is downside trend on Coinbase. So I take a small short at 301.84. My stop loss is above 303 and I have only small share at 50 share. So when I enter, I take small profit 301. I take another profit at 300 right here, another profit near when it break below the 300 level. So this is we are a really good trade on Coinbase as well. I make decent money on it. The fifth trade I take on Netflix. So as everybody know, Netflix has earning yesterday. So it showed off yesterday, and I kept watching this Netflix as well today. So what I noticed is this is also a 5-minute ABCD pattern. You see A, this is B, A, and then C and D, like bottom, top. So this is what happened here. It not break the 985 or 984 level. It just kept rejecting. This is one time, second time, and this is the third time at the end. So I take a small short at 50 share at 984. This is around 984, and I take and I take profit toward the downside, and I get stopped out the 5 share when it break above my entry. I take another short position, take small profit, and I take another short position right here. So this is also itself a downside pattern, downward trend. So when I enter right here 181.18, I take small profit toward the downside, and I get stopped out when it uh, come to my entry price. So as you see, I have a five. I take a five different. I traded 5 different stock today and made a decent money. So hope you like this video. Hope you find the get some knowledge from my trade and try to be a better every day as a trader. That is the key to we have to be a better every day, and that's how the good trader, good quality of the trader. So hope you like this video. Just like, comment, and share as much as possible, and we'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.